There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, I wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical.
Well, we are headed into the park, getting up into higher elevations. Don't know if you can see it or not, but we are driving, there are snow flurries as we are driving along. Definitely a big change from the last couple of days. We've been just fine in jeans and t-shirts.
At the ranger station, the temperature was 57 degrees, and we have already hit 45 degrees. That must be miserable riding the open air back of a Jeep. Well, we're nearing the top of Mount Everest.
So it feels.
38 degrees and dropping.
The people in the Jeep in front of us have pulled out blankets.
I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now.
I did not realize we were going to go to the top of a mountain. Thought we were gonna maybe go around the mountains.
You know, huh?
On the side of a mountain.
No.
No, let's climb to the top of the Rocky Mountains. No jeans and sneakers.
Yep.
No mittens. No scarves.
But we have hats now. Thank goodness we stopped at the Ranger Park to get hats. At the store at the...
Holy cow, this goes higher.
Now we know why this road is closed from mid-October to Memorial Day.
Look at the wind going. Look at it.
Yeah. It's windy. Pull off and just aim the camera out.
And if you want to know what our view is like, that is the view from the side of the mountain looking out towards the other mountains.
Yeah, pretty sure there's like a gorge down there and another mountain, but kind of hard to see with the snow blowing.
Smile!
Smiling!
You don't have no keys here.
So, it's a little bit chilly. We would hike up a little bit to the Continental Divide, but this will just have to do with the snow. Powder Lake ahead.
It's actually a duck or something out there in the water.
Mm-hmm. It's quite beautiful, just a little chilly right now.
Coyote Valley Trail. Okay, here we go. Hardcore up here at elevation hiking.
Yep.
As always,
Let's go.
waiting on a woman. Nothing like being 2 miles above sea level. I think it said it's 700 feet elevation gain.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure Fern Lake is like 1,400 feet.
Yeah. It's pretty bad. Piece of cake.
Yeah, this is nothing compared to that. Sure would be nice to have a horse. Hang on.
Are you tired?
I'm tired. I need a break.
Last day up here in Rocky Mountain National Park.
He's only slightly exaggerating there. Ooh. Yeah, and then I check the map to see how far we've gone on the trailhead. We've barely gone any distance at all. This is gonna be fun.
It's the Green Mountain Trail, right?
Green Mountain Trail, yes.
No coffee though.
What? Oh, not Green Mountain Coffee.
Dad jokes for days. Dad jokes for days. Trees are really squeaky. That or there's something big out there. Alright, looks like it's leveling out.
Yep. We're at a half mile.
A little bit creepy.
There's a lot more dead trees back here. And trees leaning against other trees that are rubbing. Kind of creepy.
Here's a pro tip for y'all. If you see a bear, just do this. And run the other way. Because it's whoever's slowest. Not a...
How he really feels about me.
Not a lot of meat on those bones, though.
Exactly. The bear would be through with me and to you in a heartbeat. Oh, the snow's falling. It's snowing.
Kind of crazy that it was raining lightly at the bottom, and then as we get up top, it gradually transitions to sleet, and now it's a blizzard.
Not quite, but close.
Okay, so there's big meadows this way. No, I think I can see a clearing up ahead.
Okay.
Oh goodness, it's cold. We are walking back down to our car on the Green Mountain Trail. There was no coffee. Getting up to the meadow wasn't terrible. The first half mile is a little bit of a climb, but then it evens out, and the rest of the way is mostly flat. There's some smaller meadows along the way. I didn't see any big game like moose or anything like that.
I think we heard a bear. It was that or the trees creaking, but I thought it was a bear. It sounded more like at first I thought it was a dog growling. So that's why I said it was a bear.
The dogs you see up here, 2 miles above sea level in the wild.
Yes. See, but it was a growling sound like a dog, so I think it was a bear. We didn't actually see the bear, and the trees are definitely, like, there's a lot of down trees up here that are leaning against others, so they creak in the wind. So it could have been the trees. Well, who knows?
There are lots of wild squirrel, chipmunks, woodpeckers, and some smaller birds. But overall, a pretty nice hike. Mostly quiet except for those trees and bears and dogs making noise.
And chipmunks.
Yeah.
But it's a nice hike. Definitely glad we stopped and got these hats at the visitor center because it is cold and snowy.
Support your national parks, people.
Yep.
It's also nice to stop at the visitor centers, talk to the park rangers and the volunteers. They can give you tips on what trails to do, what things to see.
This one was a suggestion to us. It was definitely worth it. Glad we got the suggestion.
There's lots to do out here. Definitely will be worth another visit in the future back here. Glad we got our America the Beautiful pass to visit all the other parks. And it basically paid for itself since it's about 25 bucks a day. So I came here 3 days. So pretty much any other place we go is going to be free, and most likely we'll probably be seeing Acadia hopefully in the next year.
Hopefully soon.
And we've thought about other parks like Glacier, Arches. It's just a lot to do that I haven't done, and Jennifer and I haven't done together. So we are enjoying making memories and living our life now.
Yes.
See what I did there?
I saw what you did there. Good job.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
I don't know if it comes across on camera or not, but there's a pretty decent snow, and it's pretty much horizontal with this wind. We have some shelter with these trees, but it's cold.
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain.
What were you saying, Niffer?
I've about decided I've had all the cold I can handle for right now.
Well, damn it.
Don't swear.
Damn it. I was gonna say, you can see if you look at the tree line, you can see where the water level actually
Oh yeah.
comes up to. Actually, if you look along this fallen tree, I think you can see the water line there too.
Yeah. You can
Seems-
really see it on that tree right over there. We got a picture of it.
Yeah.
And there's another one.
Oh, my coming home.
It's all good.
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained, right?
Right. Exactly.
How you doing back there?
I'm good.
Doing okay?
I'm doing good.
What did you think of the falls here at Adams Falls?
I thought Adams Falls was very pretty. Which way do we go? That way. I thought Adams Falls was very pretty. What did you think?
That's pretty cold, but it made a small splash on my radar.
Definitely an easy hike, like a half-mile round trip, I think. Not hard to get up to it. So if you're looking for just something quick and easy, very pretty.
We're navigating down steps.
Yes. Trying not to fall.
Apologize for any video instability. Hopefully you're not seasick at home.
Or the fact that you're looking at the top of my head as I'm looking down, so I don't fall.
Well, we're near Grand Lake anyways. Supposedly a little town by a lake. That is grand.
So we're gonna go check it out, see if we can find something for lunch before heading back to the airport.
Day 4 is a wrap.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I saw when I
We are headed back to the airport. Driving through the mountains in a snowstorm, so this should be interesting. Making our way down the mountain. Looks like we've hit a traffic jam up ahead.
well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for pride.
Jeremy's doing a good job driving, enjoying his Chick-fil-A cookie.
Was nowhere
Last meal.
no matter the rain,
You see, he's eating it all,
storm, I'm coming home,
not sharing, not saving any for me.
coming home.
It's okay. I have enough. I'm good.
The gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming
That's the
home.
wrong vehicle to have.
Yeah.
Ford Mustang.
Though I fall,
Not ideal for going up a mountain in a snowstorm.
though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.